Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create a graph or a chart in Google Sheets for the atomic radius assignment. So the first thing we need to do is find the atomic radius for each element. Most of these are complete. The only one I need to find here for group 2 is calcium. So what I need to do is I need to open the atomic radius list. And I'm actually going to open this side by side. So I'm going to drag it out, and then I'm going to drag it to the side and click on the window that I was using. So now I have both windows side by side. So I'm looking for calcium, which is atomic number 20. So I'm going to scroll down here and look for calcium, which is right here. And the atomic radius is 194 picometers. So I'm going to write that here, 194. Okay. And now these are all filled in. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create a chart. So I have to select two columns. So I'm going to select group 2 and atomic radius together. So I'm going to start from here. I'm going to highlight both of these columns, just like that, where I selected group 2, all these elements, and all the atomic radius. Now I'm going to select Insert. I'm going to click Chart. Let me expand this. Okay, so look at that. It already creates the chart for you. Now, if it's a line graph and you want the bars, you can go up here to the right, and under Chart Type, you can select different types of graphs. You can select a line graph. You can select a scatter chart, but we're going to just do the column chart or the bar graph. Okay. And if you would like, I would actually prefer that you would write down going down, because this is going down a group, right? Because the next chart you're going to make is for going across a period. Now here is what we're looking at for the group. When we're looking at the periodic table in group 2, that means we're going down group 2. For across the period, for example, period 5, we're starting at the left side and we're going across the period from left to right. And so if I find my atomic radius for silver, so again, I'm going to look for atomic radius of silver, Ag number 47. I'm going to scroll down to number 47. Here it is, 165 picometers, 165. Good, they are all complete. So again, I'm going to highlight both of these columns, period 5 and atomic radius, all the way to the bottom. Make sure they are all selected. I'm going to click Insert Chart. And here it creates a new chart for me. This is for period 5. And I'm going to write going across, because we're going across a period. And that's really all you need to make these two charts. One is for going down a group right here, and one is for going across a period. Please watch this video as many times as you need until you understand and get how to create a chart. Thanks for watching. Good luck.